Hello everyone, welcome back to Wealthroom. We are back again. It's been a while. So much chop in the markets, but that's okay. Just back from holidays, so it's okay to have a chop. And also there were some FUD, like the news that are bringing us down. We are still waiting for Trump to get back in the office. Uh, I think, we all think the market is still intact. We are following or cycle here also on risk on assets. So when you check this from 2023 to 2026, the risk is on, and we will be all out of the risky assets by then. By May, October, November, we should be out already. And then till 2032, it seems like we'll have some turbulence, and then back up to 2034 and 35. So this will be the biggest run ever, like 2012 to 2019. So that will be good time to invest again. We always reiterate, like assets like Bitcoin. Maybe we'll have other good things that we'll be investing. 2012, remember, if you would have invested here in Bitcoin in 2019, you would have really good amount of Bitcoin, and risk return would be big. Uh, so still, we are sticking to our plans. There will be so much FUD about like, oh, this cycle is not going to be the previous cycles. This cycle is the previous cycle, they were saying the same thing, but it was a better cycle than the previous one. So we'll still have good returns, but the most important thing is, where are we going to invest? We are going to invest in relative strength. We are, as a Wealthroom, we are going to reiterate on relative strength. That's the most important thing for the investment strategies. Let me tell you what relative strength is very quick. For instance, when we check, let's check a coin that's doing okay, like Caspa, right? Last time, Caspa, when Bitcoin was rallying, it rallied with Bitcoin and the markets. But when the market went down, it even went lower. Get this accumulation. This is also a good way of showing you guys the uh, zones here. So this is the down move. We can call this the accumulation, this zone. And we are having a manipulation, right? This can be it too. Or we can have a little bit more of a manipulation coming down to this. And we're gonna keep going up from here. So this is actually a good way of showing you. But when you look at the market, let's see. This one, from top to bottom, 42% drawdown. That's huge. So let's check BTC from top to bottom, only 15%. So when you compare these, the relative strength, Casper was bad. Casper was not a good investment because of the drawdown. was about 30% more of Bitcoin. So BTC has a relative strength against Caspa. Let's check one more coin about relative strength. So we should not be investing in falling knives. Oh, this is going to come back and we're gonna have this much gains, you know. Let's check SUI, the drawdown. Is there a drawdown from that? I think it was around here. So one of them went 15% down. The other one went 42% down. This one is up 6%. So there's 50% difference between Caspa and SUI. So what's the lesson here? We should be betting on strong uh, investments rather than falling knives, rather than uh, like hype. That's not, it's not hype, but saying that, oh, this went down this much, so I'll gain that much if it comes back to that level. But we don't know yet if it's gonna come back to that level quickly. So by the time it goes 5%, maybe this will be going to $7, you know? Look at this. This is strong. Like this is the coin for this cycle. Just keep an eye on this. Keep looking to this uh, ecosystem. Let's check, for instance, the one that we gave you guys. For instance, this one. From the top to bottom, relative strength went 25%. But it wasn't, I think it was around here. Yeah, I'm looking at wrong. It went from here to there. So this went 50% up. This is because one of the backbones of liquidity of a SUI ecosystem is making a bull flag right now, and probably it's gonna get back above this 50 EMA and then keep going. Most likely. We are not sure. It all depends. So this is wave, another wave going up. This is very important, guys. Like we are going to keep reiterating, and we do have also our uh, Twitter X account ready to go. Please come and follow us here. We're gonna give a good alpha. Look, we will keep reiterating, invest in relative strength. Best winners, bet on SUI. Bet on winners, bet on SUI, right? We don't say it big because we are not betting or gambling. We are investing. That's uh, that's what I really like to use. Rather than bet, I invest. We invest because we have an idea of fundamentals. We have an idea of risk and return. It's not betting actually. It is not a horse race. Also, we gave SUI Depin. This is still a good early phase. It's only 12 million market cap right now. This is an early phase of an investment, but be careful. This is also not an financial advice. We are showing you how to invest. This is an educational stream. So we'd like to invest a little bit of to a uh, newcomers like these guys. These guys are pretty good with investments right now. This is not a meme. They are already on Maxi, Radium Protocol, Turbos Finance. So they will keep Let's see here. They will keep growing, and we'll try to give some setups here. For instance, there was a good one. Typhus is still good because of the uh, retracement right now. This may be a good early phase on SUI ecosystem. Yeah, we are gonna keep giving you more alpha on our also X account. Please come in and follow us here. Let's check our liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. For now, Bitcoin going down a little bit, but our levels seems like we are 99K is the next level. We don't have that much liquidity below. We have liquidity below if we check, I think monthly. Yeah, as you see here, we have 90K liquidity level and 103K. It's growing. So this is good news, guys. I mean, it's there's so much. See, we have at around 80K too, but still more liquidity will be created by the time we come in here. So this is a 3 month. So basically, we generally go up first, take all this liquidity, and then maybe come down again. But we have to be careful. First couple weeks still, maybe we may be there's a fair value gap of around 83K or so. We may visit there. Let's check Bybit. We have here on the 3 month, 3 day. Oof, see all this liquidity. It seems like we're gonna shoot for these first. No worries. And the funding rates are not heated up. I'm not too bearish. Everybody, I like the sentiment though. Everybody's so bearish. When you check the CT right now on Twitter, oh, the top is in. We are back in the bear market. No, the retail is not here yet. The whales are gonna get retail's money first. I don't want to be a rude guy saying that, but that's how it is. There has to be some crowd coming in, and they're going to be leaving the money for the whales. So you have to be smart and get out early. Let's check Ethereum. Yeah, we have more. Oof, upside. So they will take these first. Again, the market makers, they don't go with the news. The news come with the move. Like, watch, tomorrow if we start moving, there will be all the positive news posting. Like there were so many positive news, they didn't post these positive news during the dump. Like Trump was talking about Bitcoin and all those like last couple days ago, I think. They didn't talk about those. What did they talk about? They talked about still the market is not gonna do rate cuts. Today was employment, the economy was good, and they still fought it because they were like, no, they just the strong economy is good, and the money supply is still printing. M2 money supply, check it on TradingView, it's still going up. Again, last, so we're gonna have a quick session today, and we'll have more. So this is not the time to sell and go away. We will be looking for those days during the before May, and we'll be here informing you on that. And the funding rate, let me show you when we're gonna go away. This is a little secret between you guys and us. since we don't have that much of a viewers, this is a big alpha for you. Okay. So if you want to hear about that more about this type of alpha, please subscribe and like the video. Look, this is the best. No funding rate. Let me show you when to get out, like Arnold. Get out, get out. We will be screaming like that. Get out of the market, right? See here, 1 year. Am I doing it okay, Israel? Get
Yes.
out of the market. Get out. Look how heated it was like last March. It was telling us, screaming us, get out. Sal, May, go away. They were saying, right? See, this was also another. You know what, guys? I know all this stuff. I'm gonna be straightforward and be honest to you. I was on the wrong side when all this happened. I was also hyped. I lost a couple bucks, but not that much since I was holding mostly spot from the previous times. I was still in deep in profits on my spot bags, but I could have sold here and bought back lower, right? After seeing this, this was heated up. Funding rates, people are like longing. Like, look at these rates, guys. They were longing like crazy and they dumped the market. Same thing happened last, look, December. After December 14 or 15, this was a big dump. Now we have a clean page. When we see this type of heat, next time we will be here telling you. You can also go and look at it yourselves. You know how to do it now. So this is the biggest alpha. Like all these YouTubers are looking at these things and telling you what's going on. And you know, like, how did he know? How did he know that the market was so like heated up? This is those are here. All these are here, guys. I mean, also after this, uh, let me show you here, like a dump last December, like 16. It tells you on the resistance, giving you a half of the candle. Look, this is a black cloud. Two of these here go boom, dumps it. See, I mean, also the chart is gonna tell us where to exit with the or resistances and all that, and we are going to be here for that. Let's check Sol. We are not humans without our soul. All right, so let's see here. December. This was, yeah, this was it. Look, same thing. Oh, deviates and then loses 50 MA. Dump it. Goes all the way. Look at this bullishness. And then everybody gets bullish, comes down, does a little bit of a head and shoulders or a diamond shape. This is boop, 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 boop. That's a diamond reversal pattern. And then tests couple times. Just if you're longing 5x, 10x, 20x, they keep like chopping people here. And then finally, when you do not have any more patience, it goes up. That's why spot is important, guys. So we have to have our spot bags packed, ready and go. Ready to go. That was we were actually checking for Sol. What's yeah, Sol is right now. Look how it respected our lines here. So many support. Like support, test, midline. We are getting back above midnight. Probably we'll go back and take this liquidity again when they are doing that 99K type of test, like maybe Look at this liquidity. Delicious. Market makers love this. So they'll try to take these first, most likely, but they can chop, boom, boom, and then go up. Imagine if they take this liquidity and it goes to 99K or so, and then reverses, there will be more liquidity because people are going to be longing again. So they'll come back down and then go back up. Oof, then there will be huge liquidity up here. So this is a game of patience. Do not follow too many people, guys. Just follow some good traders, good TA. I would rather go with some CMT people, and don't go for too many influencers or saying that because most of them don't know TA. They just here for hype. They with some coins, they can just like give out some coins and they become uh, very famous influencers. Yep, let's keep it simple today. That was it for today. We'll come back and talk about more uh, tomorrow, maybe. Before we go, let's check one more time on Bitcoin dominance, how it's doing. Yeah, we are up in the upper Bollinger Band now. And also, it is, if you think about this here, on a resistance zone. So we tested probably during the weekend when we do that 99K move to take the liquidity up. We can do a little bit of a rally, and then there's a little bit of a bad news because we have some gap, CME gap at 80K. So look at this. We may be doing, if this breaks, the dominance can go a little bit above here and then do one more deviation down and come. So there are so many setups like this. Don't uh, don't be scared though. We'll be fine until May, and then we'll be going away for a while. This was Nasdaq. Nasdaq did a nice reversal, but it went down because low volatility. People are still away on holidays. I think also there's so many uncertainty with Donald Trump coming in. So by the end of January, we should be okay. Back to the bull market. So stay focused. Do not be running away. Just do not do too many longs and shorts. Please be careful with the leverage because they will keep chopping people on this funding rates and liquidation. So that's it for now. Israel, would you like to add anything? Especially, what are you thinking about for meme coins?
Right now, meme coins are hit really hard. So people are, I think, into AI agents and most of them into stable coins. I think because of this Trump and
Answer,
fear.
yeah,
Yeah. So
uncertainty. Yeah.
yes, uncertainty. Yes.
So on that, even on that one, we mentioned the relative strength, like SPX 6900. It's still around, hovering around all-time highs. Same with Giga. It's still hovering around all-time highs. This is relative strength, guys. So when the market dumps and those coins, even on meme coins, when they retrace, look for those relative strength ones. They will be the ones that will also go higher and higher and higher, not the ones that dumped harder during these times. So again, if a coin goes really low and lower and lower and lower than the others, that's no good news. Don't try to chase that. rather than chase for the relative strength. We are going to be reiterating this again, and again. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Israel.
Thank you,
Bye
Mehmet.
for now.
Bye.